In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted documents in Grammarly, an easy way to get back those documents you thought were lost forever. If you've accidentally deleted a document or find yourself needing to restore something you worked hard on, don't worry. This process is straightforward. So let's dive in and walk through these simple steps together. We start by opening your web browser of choice and navigating to the Grammarly website. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you directly to your Grammarly dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your writing activities. Here, you'll notice a tab labeled Documents. It's the gateway to all your drafts and projects. Go ahead and click on that tab. You'll now see a list of all your saved drafts and ongoing projects right in front of you. Now, let's imagine you're looking to delete a document. Simply click on the document in question, and if you've accidentally deleted it, there's no need to panic. Grammarly has a simple undo feature right there for those moments when regret hits you immediately. Just click the undo button, and your document will reappear as if it never left. But if you miss that brief window to use the undo option and find yourself needing to retrieve a document, there's still hope. Turn your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll notice an option labeled Version History. This feature is incredibly convenient when you need to travel back in time and recover previous iterations of your work. Clicking on Version History will unveil previously saved versions of your documents, including those that might have been deleted. Browse through this list until you find the version of the document you're looking to recover. Once you locate it, go ahead and select it. The next step is simple. Find the download option and click on it. This action will prompt the document to download directly onto your computer or any device you're using. Once the download completes, open up a new document, either in Grammarly or in your preferred word processor. You're almost there. Now, just copy the contents of the downloaded document and paste them into your newly opened document in Grammarly. And just like that, your deleted document has been restored in all its glory. Remember, whether you accidentally delete a document or need to revisit an earlier version, Grammarly's recovery process makes sure you can work with confidence. That wraps up today's guide on recovering deleted files in Grammarly. I hope this tutorial has given you peace of mind and allows you to write, edit, and experiment without worry. Thanks for joining me and have a fantastic day.